Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hana Asy'ari. I'm from 5A class of English Education Department in Cultures and Language Faculty of Raden Masa Eid State Islamic University of Surakarta. And in this occasion, I will presenting my lesson plan of ADDIE model in level beginners of the English career. In this lesson plan, the material is about present tense, and this course is designed to teach basic grammar to students who want to get their Bachelor of Education in English at Raden Masa Eid State University of Surakarta. I will only be teaching the simple present tense of present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense to just a group of freshmen. And the goal of this course is to teach the students the adequate use the simple present tense and the kind of present tense. Learners are expected to pass this course assessment with a minimum of 71% out of the 100%. I plan to teach this course in 4 weeks. And the AD model is assessment of five step. There are analysis, design, and development, implementation, and then evaluation. And the first one is analysis. In this analysis, students will introduce themselves through a memory game. And during the analysis phase, I have created the following questions. And the first question is, have you studied the simple present tense? When? Where? And the second, what do you know about the simple present tense? Do you know the simple present tense of some sentence? Give me examples. And what are your expectations in this course? These questions are focused on getting different vital pieces of information. The first question allows me to know when learners have studied the simple present tense and where they learn about it. Second question enables to me know the point knowledge that my students have on this topic. The information will help me identify, analysis, to get information, obtain ideas, decide what the starting points and its teaching and reinforce it. And the third question will show me whether the learner domain the simple present tense of some sentences or phrase. It will help introduce new vocabulary into their lesson and encourage my students to share their knowledge with with their peers. And the final question will provide me an overview of what learners want to learn and how they would to learn. Furthermore, learners expect to understand and learn as much as possible to increase their language competencies and get the highest score. And the second one of AD is design. And after collecting data, I have decided to create a 4-week course based on the timeline provided to me by my academic director. I created a syllabus with relevant information about the course. In the week one, our first week, this is a memory camp. Let's introduce ourselves first for activity. This is activity 1, form the simple present tense. This is there are 5 activity, and the last activity is assignment part 1 on the simple present tense. And the week 2 of second week, this is there are 3 activity, and the sixth activity is assignment part 2 on the simple present tense, and activity 7 correct the kind of present tense, and activity 8 write the paragraph sharing life's experiences at the holiday in the present tense. And the third week, we're going exercise on the past tense of present continuous tense and present perfect tense. Quiz on the present tense of present continuous tense and present perfect tense. And there are 3 activities on third week, activity 9, activity 10, and activity 11. There are create a sentence using present continuous tense and etc. And the fourth week, there are 2 activity. There are activity video presentation on the simple present tense, and for activity 13, final writing project on the simple present tense. And there are general objective and specific objective. In general objective, use the structure of the simple present tense in written and oral ways. Again, the third is development. The way a professor of instruction introduces the lesson is a crucial factor of getting the expected results. During the development, I will prepare myself to make my best performance and assist my student in way they demand. I will use appropriate technological tools such as existing and useful videos and interactive activities to keep the students engaged and motivated. And the last activities is the fourth activity of ADDIE is implementation. In implementation, I will have all materials and resources such as online explanation, online exercise, videos presentation, internet links, or other materials available site in advance to not waste valuable time. If computer programs are required, I will have them installed in the computer class or ask the student to have this program on their computer previously. I would consider my students' learning styles and knowledge background to help them improve through the classes as smoothly as possible. I will try assign tasks the lead student from easy to more complex content. In contrast, the student get confident to participate naturally and feel actively responsible and motivated to go forward. And the last activity in AD model is evaluation. On the first day of class, I will ask my students their experience in this course, discuss the syllabus with them to get their opinions and feelings about it, and make modification if necessary. And during the course, I will ask my students what they know and what they want to know on simple present tense, and I will note them for the future reference. At the end of the course, I would ask my students what they had learned. I would use this time to ask my students what they have liked to learn, their consideration about the technological tools used. Also, if the activities were meaningful and appealing, what activities they would suggest to change or add, and what tools and resources they would prefer to use. But a formative and summative evaluation will help me to reflect on my performance to make modification, change things, and make valuable decisions for better performance and course design and delivery. Okay, that's all of my presentation about my lesson plan of AD model. Apologies for many mistakes. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.